Hi, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my video. So this time around, I'm going to share with you about descriptive essay. So what is it about descriptive essay? Do you know about it? Okay, so for your information, descriptive essay is actually derived from the word describe. So you are going to describe about things, okay, about a person, all right, or maybe you are going to describe about an event, okay, all right. So when you are describing a person or an event or a program, okay, there are three methods or approaches that you can use. One is to follow the chronological order. Okay, one is to follow the chronological order. Another one is to use the space order. All right, or lastly, you can also use the order of importance. Okay, all right, so there are three steps that you can follow in order to get involved with descriptive essay. One, you can use the chronological order, okay, whereby in chronological order you're going to follow the steps, okay, from the beginning until the end of it. All right, so meaning that which come first and then what is the step that appears at the end. And then space order, this is more when you are describing about a place, okay. For example, you are going to describe about a hall, so you're going to talk about the hall maybe from left to right, okay, from front to the back, right, and from maybe the right hand corner to the left hand corner, or the other way around, okay. So that is about space order. All right, and then when you are referring to the last method or the last approach, which is order of importance, okay. For example, you are talking about a wedding, okay, or so what kind of food that is going to be involved in a wedding. So maybe you're going to talk about Malay cuisine. So what you must have in a normal Malay wedding, so maybe you're going to have like nasi minyak, okay, followed by ayam masak merah, for example, okay. So basically we have here, right, three approaches or three methods that you can use when you are writing for descriptive essay, okay. So you can use chronological order, you can use space order, you can also use order of importance. For chronological order, I'm going to repeat again, all right. This is about you are following the steps, okay. You are following the steps. Let's say step number 1, number 2, number 3, and the rest. That is about chronological order. When you're talking or when you are using about space order, you are actually describing about a place, okay. So for instance, you're going to explain about the place from front to the back, left to the right, or from this end to that end, and the other way around, okay. And lastly, if you're going to use order of importance, we are taking, for example, you are going to describe about a Malay wedding and you are referring to Malay cuisine, right, and then you are going to refer to nasi minyak and ayam masak merah, for example, okay. So this is about descriptive essay, and please do not forget, you are required to have, or in a simple or a basic structure of an essay, you need to have at least 5 paragraphs, okay. So you're going to start with the introduction, followed by 3 body paragraph and the conclusion. So when you are describing or when you have a descriptive essay, this is the basic structure that you have to follow, okay. You need to have 5 paragraphs. All right, and then let's say you use the chronological order. So what is the most important step that you're going to explain first? And this one will be in the first paragraph, in the body paragraph, followed by the second and the third, and then the conclusion. So I believe this is all about descriptive essay that you need to know. And if you have further question, you can always reach me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum and bye.